What's up, guys? Just got back from lunch here and I've been waiting for a package. I haven't been anticipating a package like this for a long time. Let's go see. All right, I think, yes, it's here. The package I've been waiting for is here. This is awesome. So let's finish some work and then let's take this home and see what's inside. Hey guys, what was delivered to the shop today? Pretty cool. You're almost kind of bent out of shape when you get a hole in your box, but owning an e-commerce company, I could say these guys did an awesome job because they double boxed the box just in case this may happen. So let's open this up and see what's inside. I've been thinking about this for over a year, and myself, I've been watching tons of videos about this product, and I'm excited to share it with you. All right, are you guys ready? This is, it's heavier than I thought, the purchase of the OneWheel Pint. This is the OneWheel Pint, and totally excited about it. I think it's going to be awesome. So let's take a peek and see what's inside the box. Here's the downside that I learned about OneWheel today is that I ordered other accessories with this OneWheel, like a card charger, a fender, and these protective clear plastic that goes on the rails. Well, they actually ship separately, which is okay, but I'm not going to get those for another couple days. And oh my gosh, I want to ride the OneWheel tonight. So that's a bummer they didn't all ship together. But okay. All right, so not too much inside, but ooh, it smells like rubber in here. Let's see here. All right, guys, here you go. This is the OneWheel Pint without the fender, and I'm really excited to try this out. You know, I not read online, but I listened to videos that said this was pretty heavy, and it is pretty heavy. There's a lot going on here, but they say it's a lot lighter than the XR model, and I'm excited to try this. And without my protective rails, I don't know if I can resist. I think I might throw some tape on here, even though that sounds kind of corny, just to protect these until my rails come in so we can try it. All right, let's get this thing ready, go outside and see what it's like. Okay guys, I couldn't resist. I had to put some of this painter's tape on my OneWheel side rails just so I could go ride it tonight. I couldn't resist. So I'm gonna just tape, as crazy as it sounds, I know this board is probably gonna get beat to crap quickly, because I've seen other videos online and it seems like people ride it for a week and the thing looks destroyed. But you know what? I'm gonna get my clear plastic rails in 2 days. I cannot wait 2 days to ride this. So I put some clear plastic, not clear plastic, but some painter's tape just on the side, just to try to protect it a little bit, since I know it's gonna fall over, I know I'm gonna scratch it, and I can't resist, I have to try it. So we're gonna go outside and see how the first ride goes. The only thing that was left in the box was it comes with a regular charger. This is the normal, I guess, slower charge that comes with the OneWheel. They also had you don't see this often with a technology product anymore, a owner's manual, small owner's manual, stickers. Cool companies always include stickers nowadays. I thought this was neat from a business standpoint. They have a baggie full of business cards. I think they know people are going to ask you, what is that thing? What does it look like? Where'd you get it? And not what does it look like, but where'd you get it? Where can I get one? How much does it cost? So they give you about, I don't know, a dozen business cards to hand out. That's pretty smart. I'm sure it works. Let's go outside and see how it goes. Wish me luck. You ready? Okay, we're going to try the OneWheel out now. I'm going to try to balance using the trash can. Okay. All right. It's hard to stay in one spot. Okay. And I disabled simple stop, so we have the regular way to get off. We're going to try that. And this is the first time on the OneWheel. It takes a little bit of balancing. So it is good to have something to hold on. You ready, Karina? Here we go. Well, not too bad, right? Whoa, a little crazy right there. So, I could see how this is going to take some getting used to. But, I think like they said, you have to remember to jump off the 4 feet if you're going to crash. Not just 1 foot. And it's starting to rain. Okay, let's try to disengage. 1 foot forward, like that. That works pretty good. Alright, let's try it again. Nothing to hold on to this time. Alright. I'm going to call this a success so far, except I don't know how to turn left. It looks like it's going to rain really hard. Okay, I just moved my, it's kind of like snowboarding. Toe heel, move your heel back and go back.
I need one of those so I can record you. I said I need one of those so I can record you. Go too fast.
I know. The problem is I'm having a hard time turning left. Let me show you. I'll try to get off the board again. I did not use simple stop. I'm just getting off the board the way you're supposed to. Lift the front foot and then back off. So cool. After it's done raining, I'm gonna practice more. It's not difficult. Okay, so as you saw last night, I was practicing with the OneWheel, and I had this blue painter's tape on the side, and that was a horrible idea. That didn't work at all. And already the OneWheel is scratched to hell really bad right here. I should have waited for these protective sides to come in, but they shipped them like I think it was 2 or 3 days later than they shipped the OneWheel, which was, in my mind, a horrible idea. But you be the judge of that, because I couldn't wait 3 more days to try the OneWheel. I had to try it now. So I got some scratches on it. I think most people are going to say, well, I feel so sorry for you. Too bad. It's the way life is. But I've seen videos that people had this for a week and this thing looked like it was 3 years old. So it just gets scratched up. Anyways, I'm going to put the protective sides on, these plastic sides on both sides, just to see how they work, and I'll let you know. So I got the rail guards installed, and as you can see, there's a few little bubbles in them. If anybody knows how to get the bubbles out, or I did something wrong, leave a comment below. This side's not too bad. This is the side that didn't get scratched up too much. But if you look at the other side here, let me see here. This is the side. Sorry, I only have one hand currently. This is the side that got scratched up pretty bad, and you can see there's all kinds of bubbles and bumps where I put this on, and I think that's because this is already scratched and it's not a flat surface. But that's okay. I mean, this plastic's pretty thick on here. You can kind of see how thick it is right there. And I'm sure it will do some protecting. I imagine I'll someday rip this off and scratch the heck out of it anyways. So let's go on another ride. Get this bad boy out and see if we can stand up on vertically. This is my third ride. I got the side rails on. I ordered a fender for it. I won't worry about that till later. Just want to ride right now. Again, I should have put the side rails on before I rode, but too bad, so sad for me. Who cares? And this is technically my third ride. I did a second ride, but I didn't record it, and that's when I scratched it up pretty bad. So I'm gonna give the phone to Karina and Oliver. Hey, Oliver. And they're gonna see how the third ride goes. And I'm actually going back to trying simple stop. I think I just need to learn one. I was playing the other day with lifting my foot up, stopping. I'm just gonna learn one thing. I'm gonna learn simple stop because I don't got that down yet. And then I'll learn the other one as time goes on. So, and then I got my pants stuck in here the other day too. I should tighten up my pants. I know this looks kind of funny, but you know what? I got caught in the wheel when I wrecked the other day. So here we go. Wish me luck, okay?
Good luck, baby.
Thank you, I'm gonna need it. My best not to get hurt. Okay. I got the turning down. Let's try the simple stop. And that's how I wrecked before. So, and scratched up the side. It's exactly how I trashed my board before. So let's try it again. Oliver doesn't even like it.
It's okay, Oliver.
There we
It's
go.
okay.
There we go.
It's
Oliver, I'm
okay,
getting this.
Mommy. It's
Okay,
okay.
let's try this.
It's okay, Mama.
I think I can get this. It's really simpler than you think. I think you just got to keep your body over the wheel, know it's going to go back a little bit, and then jump off. Ah, I got it. Okay, let's try this one more time. My neighbor just said this is how old people hurt themselves. I really can't believe how much this is like snowboarding, really. So let's try this again. Slow down. I'm gonna go backwards.
It's okay, Oliver.
I got it. I think I got it. I was just...
Great job.
What was the problem there? All right, let's go on a little long ride, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, this is about the third ride on the OneWheel, and it's going pretty good. I had a little wreck this morning trying to go up the curb. So, little problems there, but that's okay. I have snowboarded in the past, and actually do snowboard. and I found that the movement is very similar to snowboarding. The carving is the same from heel to toe, and so I find that very helpful when riding the board. I will say though, if you haven't snowboarded, I don't think it's going to be that difficult for you to learn to ride the one wheel. And I'm going to go back to saying the hardest part about riding the one wheel is getting off of it, because there's 3 different ways to get off. You can use what they call simple stop, which is a new easy way they developed to get off the board. You can do the toe lift, or you can jump off with 2 feet. And when I first got the board, I was trying all of them, and you definitely need to know how to jump off with 2 feet in case you get into a situation where you lose your balance. But I was trying the toe lift and the simple stop, and it was just confusing me, so I just stuck with one for right now, which I think is the best thing. Focus is key. So I'm just practicing simple stop. I don't think I still have it down completely, but that's the one thing I'm focusing on now, and I'll learn the toe lift later. Like I said, carving is just like a snowboard, so that's pretty easy once you're up. Again, I don't know how to go up the curb yet. That's where I took a digger this morning, and it fell down, but the board just fell off. The board falls over, gets scratched. I mean, lots of things just happen to the board. It's going to get trashed. So most people, I would say, don't really care about that. But if that is a concern to you, just be aware that it's okay. You're going to scratch it up, you're going to use it. My wife says if you're going to be a professional, it's going to get messed up. And I said, what if I don't want to be a professional? Anyways, so this time's going very well. It's very intuitive. It's very fun, like everybody suggests. It is super fun, and it's great fun to carve. So I'm really, really enjoying it so far. Okay, now I'm practicing in some grass. I heard that you should practice in the grass also. And it's definitely a little harder. Your feet are moving a little more. You're trying to balance a little more, but I think it's a good idea to practice in grass. It doesn't, you don't roll over things as smoothly as you do on the concrete or cement, that's for sure. But I think it's worth getting used to, because you're going to run into the situation from time and time again, and it's going to be helpful. Oh, almost lost my balance right there. But I think it's very advantageous to try to practice in the grass here. It is definitely harder, but I could see the more you ride this thing, the easier it becomes. I mean, you just, like anything else, you just start to be more comfortable with it and learn how to do it. So in conclusion, the purchase of the OneWheel Pint was awesome. I would definitely recommend it. I'm actually going to use it for my business. We do a lot of door hanger distribution at certain times of the year, and I'm going to use it to check on the guys that are distributing door hangers for my business. So it'll allow me to spot check them a little more efficiently. Plus, we'll have a little fun with it. So overall, the OneWheel Pint is a success. I like it. I recommend it. I've had it now for a little over 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks. I got, let's see, probably a little over 100 miles on it. I think 115 miles on it. There was this noise I was hearing a couple, maybe 4 or 5 days ago, and I took it apart. It looked like this little capacitor in the circuit board. It was flopping up and down. So I called Future Motion, who makes the one wheel, and they told me to send it back in, and they're going to fix it. Hopefully it's something simple, and they can get it back to me soon. I tell you right now, with not having it, I miss it. I miss the thing. It's super fun, and it's super functional in some ways, especially since I'm going to use it for work. that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that was helpful going from the purchase of the OneWheel to learning it. And until next time, I'll see you, adventurers.